Understanding shed assembly, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, shed assembly. This might sound like a simple combination of words, but it's a great example of how English can be very context-specific. Let's dive in and understand what it means in different scenarios. First, let's look at the individual words. Shed is a noun, typically referring to a small building, usually situated in a garden or backyard, used for storage, hobbies, or as a workshop. The word assembly is a noun too, meaning the process of putting together various parts to make a complete object. It can also refer to a group of people gathered together for a specific purpose. When we combine these words to form shed assembly, the most common meaning is the process of constructing a shed. This could involve following instructions to build a shed from a kit. Here, the phrase is quite literal. You're assembling a shed. Interestingly, shed assembly can also refer to a group of people who meet in a shed for a specific purpose. For example, a community group might meet in a garden shed to discuss local issues. This is a less common usage but shows the flexibility of English phrases. In some contexts, shed assembly might be used in a more figurative or humorous way. For instance, someone might jokingly refer to their family gathering in their shed for a meeting as a shed assembly. It's important to understand the tone and context when encountering such uses. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, shed assembly, and its various meanings in English. Remember, context is key in understanding English phrases. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English language learning content. Happy learning!